Hello, good morning everyone. Let us introduce ourselves. My name is Carolina Rangmetan as a nurse and my partner.
My name is Yolanda Wondoi as a patient. Today we will perform a role play about a patient who is confused about how to take medication. We hope you enjoy our presentation. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Good morning, Miss Landa. My name is Nurse Caroline and I will be taking care of you today. How are you feeling?
Good morning, Nurse Caroline. I feel confused about my medication.
Miss, maybe I borrow your medicine for I see.
Yes, Nurse.
Oh, I understand. Let me explain it clearly. The white tablet is taken after breakfast once a day. Can you repeat when you take it?
After breakfast in the morning, Nurse.
That's correct. If you forget, don't take double doses. Miss, do you feel more confident now?
Yes, thank you, Nurse, for your explaining it.
You're welcome. Please ask if you feel confused again.
Yes, Nurse. Thank
Thank
you.
you.